welcome to the Warner Library tutorial page. In this video, we will go over how to find and use one of the library's Libguides. Let's get started. First, go to the Research Guides box found here on the library's website. Libguides are online resource guides that gather multiple sources in a single topic into a site, a great one-stop shop for research. You can use the tabs at the top to browse all guides alphabetically, by type, and more. The default tab, by subject, displays the subject of the various databases, including topical subjects, general guides, and others. Let's look at one of the guides in Biblical Studies and Religion with Religious Studies. Some research guides look different, but the majority are laid out much like this one. The homepage will include boxes that link out to our online catalog, other prominent websites, and sometimes an expert librarian you can contact for more assistance. At the top are tabs going to specific types of materials on the subject, such as books, databases, and others. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. To see more videos, check out our YouTube channel, and don't hesitate to contact the library staff for additional assistance.